Thanks for checking out my YouTube channel, Robert's Video Machine. Don't forget to subscribe and then give me a thumbs up as well for the video. I really appreciate it, and so I can keep on continuing to make these good videos. In this video, I'm going to be showing how to do an oil change and also changing out the oil filter on a 2002 Honda Civic LX, and it's also compatible with any 2001 to 2005 Honda Civic models. So what you need is basically something to catch the used motor oil, a rag to clean up, some gloves so you won't get yourself dirty, the oil filter replacement, and I'll put the model number on there and where I got it from. The oil, I always use full synthetic, and also the weight, and I'll show you that in a little bit. Basically the tools to take it off. You see, I'm going to use that to remove the oil filter, and also like the sockets. And I believe the bolt or the nut is a 17 millimeter. I'll double check when I'm doing it. And of course you jack up the car, and then you have the jack stands. So let me show you why I'm going to use this type of motor oil as far as the weight goes. Okay, so here's the engine compartment here, and if you look at the cap for the motor oil, it listed as 5W20. So I'm going to continue to use that. So let's get started. Okay, so I got the car up on 2 jack stands, and also I leave the jacks on as well for additional support. And one thing I forgot to show is also the wheel stoppers in the back. I have one on each side. See the other side, but let's go under the engine and see how it looks like. Okay, let me see, turn on the light. Okay, I don't know if I'm under the car now, and if you can see, there's the oil filter, and then right here is the, I need to get out because the car's too small, but that's the bolt that you remove for the oil, and I believe it's a 17 millimeter, but I'll double check right now. So let me just get out real quick just so you can see kind of how it is underneath, because it's very cramped. Okay, I don't know if that's a better view, but you can kind of see where it's at there underneath the car. Kind of give you a perspective of where the wheel's at, and then right where that thing is at on the very top is the oil filter. You can see it there, it's in blue. Okay, so it was a 17 millimeter bolt, and as you can see there, the oil is coming out, and as soon as it just stops dripping, it starts just one drip at a time or whatever, you can go ahead and close it. I don't know if you can see there, it's kind of windy today, which is not a good thing, but you gotta do what you have to do. And one thing also, you could always loosen up the oil cap on the top so it can flow a lot better. So as soon as it stops, I'll do the oil filter. Okay, so now all the oil has come out, and I already removed the filter there. I was able to do it by hand. I didn't have to use the tool. The tool's only if you can't remove it. But there's the new oil filter here. And I don't know if you can see the seal, the red seal around it. You just grab some of the old or used motor oil just to lubricate it, and then you hand tighten it when you put it back on. So let me go ahead and do that, and then we're going to pour in the oil. Okay, so now we have everything plugged back in. The oil filter is back in its place, and another item that you'll need is a funnel to basically pour in the oil. And the car uses 3.4 quarts. And since this is a 5 quart, I just marked it there. So when I pour all that into that line, I'll know the 3.5 or 3.4 quarts roughly will be in there. Okay, then after pouring in the 3.4 quarts of oil, you just check the level there. I already checked it and it's good, and then you're good to go. So let me know what you think about the video. Give me a thumbs up, and leave the comment, let me know what you think. Thank you.